Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smartband by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smartband, make sure that the battery level on your band or smartband is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the touch sensitive buttons on the sides of your band. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. Now you can swipe down on the screen to scroll through the list, or through the menu rather. Scroll through the menu until you find the settings icon and tap on it. Now scroll through the settings, find the option called device information or device info and tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the option called clear user data, tap on it, and then scroll down until you find the buttons right here. And to confirm and start the resetting process, you need to tap on this hold 3-second button, or rather press and hold on it, and you need to keep holding for 3 seconds or more. Basically you will see this border filling in, and once it's done, after 3 seconds the device will basically start resetting itself. And now we need to wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this animation on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.